guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. So let's check it at the very end to know how to add a new video or picture to your TikTok. So let's open the TikTok application, guys, and let's start a new TikTok creation after tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And guys, I want to create a new TikTok after tapping on this red central button. And let's tap on the check mark to save changes and go to the edit mode. I want to mute my created TikTok, and it's very short, very simple. For example, I want to add a new picture here. How to do it? Very easy. To click on this plus icon at the right side. Let's click on it one time, and you will get the opened gallery. It's very nice because it's very simple to add every video or every photo you want. I also want to go to another album of my gallery, for example to this one, and I want to use this picture. Let's confirm our choice. In this way, guys, you can add a lot of other parts. For example, this third part, this GIF, confirm, and let's check it. Sorry, it's not a GIF, it's an image. And guys, don't forget also that you can rotate the selected picture. You can manage its size also with this one. And you can, for example, I want to add some video. For example, this one. Well done! Also, guys, don't forget that you can, without no troubles, cut the selected parts of your TikTok and choose the needful duration of your video. After holding on some parts of the TikTok, you can change and replace the part's location. For example, swap it from the second part to the first one, second place to the first one. This is very helpful. Also, guys, don't forget that you can manage each parts, the first, the last one, and each of them which are in the central part too. Don't forget that all options are possible to manage. You can split them, delete, activate the motion blur, crop, rotate, and etc. I hope that, guys, that this tutorial was definitely very interesting and useful. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get additional info about the TikTok application and other programs. And thank you for the watching. Bye guys, good luck!